Unfortunately, these Mazda RX-7 door handles like to break. Just made out of a plastic material. Luckily, there's also people out there that remake them out of aluminum. So only one broke. This is the driver's side. I'll go ahead and change them both. You can order just one, but order them as a set. My doors are off the car, but the handle's easy to remove when it's on or off the car, either way. Two 10mm nuts actually hold the handle, the whole mechanism to the car itself, to the door itself. Now with the handle loosened, it'll come up from the car a little bit. Now like a rod was already disconnected, but that little yellow tab, and then disconnect the plug, which I've taken off the whole door panel and disconnected everything. There we go. Replacement aluminum handles. One was broken. I didn't need two, but I figured I'd get them in a set, a pair of two, and replace them both at the same time. These two brackets are each held on by two screws. This is what they look like still on. And these hold a rod in place that pass through the holes of the handle. It's easier to remove with this arm loosened. Everything goes back together in reverse order. That's a working handle. Times 2.
Get what you can prove. Talk.